how to unstar all messages on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to unstar all messages on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and then click these 3 points in the top corner, and here you will find the starred messages. Just click on it and click these 3 points in the top corner and click unstar. Click on it and click unstar here. Unstar all, click on it and click unstar, and that's it. And as you see, all the messages have been unstarred, and that's how to unstar all the messages on WhatsApp. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.